Ir-rebbieħ ta' tielet staġun ta' MasterChef Malta huwa Steve.
Stephen Attard, ir-rebbieħ ta' tielet edizzjoni ta' MasterChef Malta u tabib tal-familja li dejjem kellu għal qalbu it-tisjir li għalih espressjoni ta' arti. Iltqajna ma' Stephen l-għada li rebaħ il-finali ta' din il-kompetizzjoni u staqsejnieh kif mill-professjoni ta' tabib iddeċida li jidħol għal MasterChef Malta.
Before medicine, I thought I'll go into catering. I wanted to go to ITS, but I missed the application date because I was abroad, and I don't know how I decided to go into medicine. So cooking has always been a passion for me. I always where I can express my kind of art in that form. So cooking for me is always about family, about friends, about and just getting together and enjoying great food together. I was always next to my mother while she was preparing either Christmas or Easter, always kind of learning tricks from her.
Frisk minn rebħ ta' tielet edizzjoni ta' MasterChef staqsejna lil Stephen xi fisser għalih li rebaħ din il-kompetizzjoni li tixxandar fuq Television Malta.
It feels great winning MasterChef season 3. Winning any what's called cooking competition for me was fantastic. I applied for season 1 and 2, so for me to finally come on season 3 and to win it's a dream come true for me. For me to win the competition with such a difficult competition, it feels even better winning it. But obviously with the other contestants who were all great, all fantastic, the finalists, Banana and Wayne, who were great friends, great competitors. I wish them all the best.
Stephen Attard għallilna li għalkemm se jibqa' jipprattika l-professjoni ta' tabib tal-familja, xorta waħda se jibqa' juża t-talent u l-arti tiegħu fil-kċina u t-tisjir, tant li se jkun qed jippubblika ktieb kemm bir-riċetti li kellu fuq MasterChef Malta u wkoll riċetti ġodda.